I'm making this video from my heart for those of you that probably did not do well in this JAMB. If you know you wrote this year's JAMB and you didn't perform the way you expected. I've always talked about those of you following this channel, scoring 300 and above, at least being able to gain admission this year and all the rest. Now, if you were not able to fall into that bracket that you did very well, if you did not do well, I want you to watch this video. I'm making this video from my heart because I've seen a lot of things that happened. Of course, you must have heard the news of the girl, the JAMB, the just 19-year-old that killed herself, committed suicide because she scored low in her JAMB exam, only for JAMB to come out and say there was a glitch and the result people were seeing wasn't what they scored, right? So I want you to come closer as I give you the tips you need to know. One, if you did not perform very well in this year's JAMB, I want you to know that your success generally in life, like when you grow up, become a full-grown man or woman, does not define you as a person or define your future. In fact, what you score in JAMB is very important, but it doesn't mean that is everything life is all about. I remember when I wrote my own JAMB, what I scored, I went to school, I went to N.H.S, did computer engineering, but right now, my money doesn't come from what I studied, really. I don't make much of. I have staff working for me. I am a school proprietor. We have 1 secondary school, 2 primary schools, 1 mature program we are running. I make money from all these areas and the other businesses I'm running. These businesses are quite different from what I studied in school. Are you with me? As important as your JAMB is, getting admission this year is, it doesn't mean that your life have to depend on it. It doesn't mean that if you did not do well, your life has ended. No. Your life is far bigger than the course you study in school. Your life, your success in life is far bigger than what JAMB gave you. JAMB result does not define your success. Are you with me? JAMB result should not define whether you love yourself or not, whether you remain alive or not. No. Life is not lived that way. Are you with me? Your life is far precious than what the professor gave you. Maybe you even scored high, but because of what they did this year, how they disenfranchised many, I mean, you know the way the country is, we are in, is and all the rest. So please, I want you to take it easy on yourself. Please, somebody come under the comment and let us encourage ourselves. Take it easy on yourself. Take it easy on yourself. There are alternatives, there are options, there are things you can do. Just calm down. Please calm down. Take it easy on yourself. Maybe you have taken time to cry, you have cried. Maybe your parents were encouraging you or they were backing at you and all the rest. Maybe you feel like you gave it all your best and you cannot take it. Or maybe you think that people are laughing at you and all the rest. Or the prayers of your enemies have come to pass. Please, no matter how you feel, I am here. I've been with you in this journey from the beginning till this time. Calm down. Take it easy. Don't overthink it. Your result doesn't define you. Your result, you can succeed in life regardless of what JAMB gave you. Did you get me? You can succeed in life regardless of whatever JAMB gave you. Of course, next time you write JAMB, or if you are going for the other options, there are things you can do that will make you successful, regardless of what you study in school, regardless of what JAMB gave you and all the rest. So I just need you to do what? Calm down. Do what? Calm down. Please, somebody come under the comment and help me to calm everybody down. Encourage drop 1 or 2 sentences that will encourage everybody. Share your own experience, how you were able to encourage yourself. This thing is very important because people are dying. We have just one reported case. A woman called me and said her daughter has not eaten since the JAMB result came out. I want you to calm down. Please, everybody, just cheer yourself up and calm down. This is not the time to, take a moment, breathe, figure out what next. What else are you going to do? Assuming you are not entering school this year, assuming that JAMB didn't give you admission, what are you to do? The first thing is there's an option we can explore, because life is full of options. Are you getting me? When one door closes, Christians will tell you, when one door closes, another door opens, right? So if the door of scoring very high in JAMB closes, what options do you have? One of them is you can actually go for change of course and change of institution. Do you want me to make a video on change of course, how to do change of course and how to do change of institution? If you want me to make a video that will guide you, maybe you were targeting, you want to do medicine, and you instead of scoring up to 300, they gave you 202 or 180. Instead of waiting till next year to write JAMB, you can actually change your course or change your institution so that you can get a lesser course, and while you're in school you can now decide to rewrite JAMB, right? When you rewrite JAMB, you may get that course you are looking. I used to have a staff that was giving one course like that. He was doing it and was working for me. Then he was still going to school doing that course. Then in his second year in that university, he now wrote JAMB again and got, I think he's doing pharmacy now or so, which is what he wanted. He's in Unizik now. I think this year he will be writing his final exams. So you can choose the option of going for a change of course, going for a change of institution, that instead of staying at home, you can be managing that one while also hoping to write JAMB next year. Do you understand? That is one option. There is this alternative to change your course. There is this alternative to change your institution. There is this alternative to rewrite JAMB from your second year. But instead of staying at home, you can at least enter school first before you now pursue another JAMB. And they can also change, even before, without writing JAMB, there is this thing they can do to upgrade you to, if you do well in your first year or so, upgrade you to the course you really want. The next alternative could be, instead of just staying at home, assuming you don't want to do change of course, this could be an alternative for you to learn a skill. Within this 1 year, some of you are still writing WAEC, some of you are still pretty young, you can learn a skill, learn a handwork, learn a digital skill. There are people that are making a lot of money from being able to do normal handwork. Even those that travel abroad, they're able to do things with their hand, they're able to do a lot of things with their computer. They are content creators, they can sew, they learn how to build, they learn hairdressing, they learned web design, app development, forex, content creation on YouTube, and all the rest. Whatever it is you want to do, let this be an opportunity for you to concentrate on it. Remember, like I said, do you want me to create a video, give you a video on how to do your change of course or how to do change of institution? If you want me to do it, just ask me for the video in the comment section and I will post it for you immediately. But that is only for members of our channel. To become a member of this channel so that you can get all the updates, just click on join. You can see join, click on join, click it now, click on now, join. Then come now, right now, and like this video, click on like right now. Then when you like this video, share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video if you have not subscribed before and tell me I have subscribed. There's a video on the screen, click on it and watch now.